Good day, friends. It is me, HLModtech. I had another package arrive, so it's time for an unboxing. So let's get cracking. All right, so let's tear through some protective plastic. And friends, we have just added the SJRC F11 Gimbal to our collection. All right, let's get it out of the plastic here. When I bought this, it had a button I had to click to say that I was okay with shipping taking longer than normal. So I was not sure when it was going to arrive. If we spin it around, there is a piece of tape that I'm going to cut off here that lets us in. This little tag comes out. It's going to pop out and allow us to grab it. I like the sturdy sides. The zippers go both ways. And let's see what's in the box. Protective foam on top. Blades. The sweet new controller. The controller has a new face on it that actually has data present all the time. I'm going to peel off these little protective covers. Let's open up the cool handles that you can get a grip on it by. This is really comfortable as you get it in your hands. Pull off the protective tape. And then also, if you're getting ready to fly, make sure you remember to get your antennas twisted out so you're better able to connect to your drone. And the drone. Let's take off these little protectors. They just slide opposite ways so that you can unlock your propellers. I'm going to open up the bottom as well. I'm going to peel off this protective covering. Open it up. Notice if you open up the ones with the legs first, that is most effective. And there, friends, is the SJRC F11 Gimbal. I'm going to take off the protective covering down here. And then, friends, to remove the gimbal protector, you just lift this up and it pops out. When you do remove it, make sure afterwards you put it back each time. It clips in on the top before the bottom. Please also note that there is a protective covering on the front of your lens that you'll want to remove. The F11 Gimbal uses the exact same battery as the F11 Pro, so if you've got extras of those, that will be useful. And I'm going to go put this little beauty on the charger, as well as the controller on the charger, so we can get ready to fly. Make sure, of course, that you're covering your manual before you actually fly it. But as you have probably seen on other drones, this will be how you do calibration. This will be how you launch. Make sure that you're ready for emergency landings. You can always land with this, or you can land in your app. If you ever need to do an emergency stop, it's tap this once and then hold it for 3 seconds to shut it down. On the front, you have got a video record and you've got a camera shot. And you can easily control the gimbal on the fly. In the zippered pouch, you will also find a manual. Make sure you track that down before you fly it. Once again, it tells you important things like make sure you're in a safe area and following the rules where you're flying it. We do need to charge it. It mentions that you want one that's between 2 and 3 amps. And once it is solid blue, it will be finished. Should take about 4.5 hours. And when you fly, it should last about 25 minutes. You can read this cover to cover while yours is charging. But I will also talk you through this when I do my first flight with the SJRC F11 Gimbal. Alrighty, friends, so setting a good example, you can see I do have the lens cover back on it, and you can see there's no battery as both the battery and the controller are charging. Hopefully I can get it up later in the day because last time I looked outside there was sunshine. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModtech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.